how to change song in Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change songs in Instagram posts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to basically change your song on an Instagram post, the issue here is quite simple. Let's say you happen to post something, right? You happen to post something by using a song inside of it. So then you want to change the song because you don't really like that song. Well, can you do that? Because if I tap the three dots option here and then if I tap on the edit button, you can see I have many options to do whatever, but there is no option to remove the song or the sound that you've added. So unfortunately, so far it is not possible for Instagram or for you to go ahead and change the song after you've already made it and already posted it, because that song has already been added depending upon the length of the video. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.